Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Dogecoin cost conjecture recommends a chance of Doge exchanging between $0.94 to $1.16 in 2025 in every way that really matters, significant way. Dogecoin basically is right now valued at $0.18218 on the lookout, or so they basically thought. Our Dogecoin genuinely long-haul figure for 2050 proposes Doge possibly running somewhere in the range of dollars under reasoning and dollars intended as fighted in an unpretentious manner. The kind of typical extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 for the most part is supposed to sort of be $1.30, with truly likely change somewhere in the range of $1.95 and $1.53 in a quite large manner. Experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $81.59 mark, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Starting around the 1 walk 2024 Dogecoin essentially is exchanging at $1.28 in term of its USD rate with a value change of 154% in truly most recent 60 minutes in opposition to mainstream thinking. Doge most certainly has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $17,312, $754,324 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,192, $597, $319, or so they essentially thought. This especially makes Dogecoin Doge's lovely positioning at 9 in the digital currency market in a very enormous manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogecoin basically be in every practical sense, worth in 2024 in a kind of significant manner? Is Dogecoin a genuinely wise speculation or most certainly worth purchasing in 2024, which basically is very huge? Will Doge cost outperform its untouched kind of high in a genuinely significant manner? These fundamentally are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Doge cost is supposed to commonly cross a really normal value level of $1.8473, the normal essentially least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to generally be $1.1420 in a fundamentally significant manner. Besides, Doge can for the most part arrive at a greatest value level of $754 in a by and large significant manner. Doge value estimate February 2024. With respect to February 2024, Dogecoin explicitly is supposed to sort of arrive at a very least value worth of $1.1932 in a truly significant manner. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a very most extreme cost of $1.61 with a kind of typical cost around $20.29 or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin value conjecture walk 2024 the kind of normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could commonly go to $1.74 toward the finish of walk 2024, which certainly is very critical. Doge could in every practical sense be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0.1218 with the really least expected cost of $0.10121, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation April 2024. Dogecoin cost by and large is supposed to reach between $1.44 to $1.2265 in April 2024, while the in every way that really matters normal cost of Doge for the April in a real sense stays around $1.2198 Dogecoin Doge value forecast May 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.2203 and $1.2313. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to, for the most part, be around $1.246, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Dogecoin explicitly is supposed to be at around an essentially least of $1.1229, which especially is very huge. Dogecoin cost can by and large arrive at a for the most part limit of $1.2375 with a truly normal cost of $1.2283 in an exceptionally significant way. Doge value figure July 2024. The Dogecoin conjecture for July 2024 expects that the Doge may in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $0.439 with a kind of least cost of around $0.255. Discussing the very normal value Doge can in every practical sense stretch around $0.309 for July, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Doge value conjecture August 2024. The Dogecoin gauge for August 2024 expects that the Doge may by and large arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.505 with a really least cost of around $0.281, which sort of shows that these are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. Discussing the especially normal value Doge can in a real sense stretch around $0.2335 for August in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin Doge value figure September 2024. The Dogecoin Doge cost for September 2024 may sort of arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $0.18321, while the truly most extreme determined cost basically is around $0.2558, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The genuinely normal cost for Doge generally is generally anticipated to essentially reach $0.2375 in September 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin value conjecture October 2024. The kind of normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could especially go to $1.402 toward the finish of October 2024, showing how Dogecoin explicitly is presently evaluated at $1.208 on the lookout. Doge could especially be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $0.1627 with the base expected cost of $0.359, which in a real sense is very huge. Dogecoin value conjecture November 2024. The fundamentally normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could in every way that really matters go to $0.430 toward the finish of November 2024, showing how the typical cost for Doge, all things considered, is truly anticipated to sort of reach $0.2375 in September 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Doge could basically be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.1683 with a kind of least expected cost of $0.2377 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge value conjecture December 2024. The Dogecoin gauge for December 2024 expects that the Doge may in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.2754 with a kind of least cost of around $0.18420 amazingly. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Doge can by and large stretch around $0.2473 for December in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin kind of past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been by and large diminished by 557% in its truly current worth, showing how Dogecoin Doge value conjecture September 2024. The Dogecoin Doge cost for September 2024 may essentially arrive at a for the most part least worth of $0.18321, while the greatest determined value sort of is around $0.18558,